Welcome back to Auto Legends, the channel where we dive deep into the most extraordinary vehicles on the planet. Today we're looking at something that redefines luxury travel and performance in ways you've never imagined. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. Brabus, the name synonymous with high-performance tuning and bespoke engineering, has taken its legendary craftsmanship and applied it to the world of motorhomes. And the result is nothing short of jaw-dropping. Let's start with the exterior, because this motorhome is a statement on wheels. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome doesn't look anything like your typical RV. Instead, it's an ultra-luxury, high-tech living machine that commands attention everywhere it goes. Built on a robust chassis, the body design screams Brabus DNA, muscular lines, aerodynamic curves, and a bold stance that's instantly recognizable. The front fascia features an aggressive grille adorned with the Brabus logo, flanked by sleek, adaptive LED headlights that deliver a futuristic presence on the road. The massive panoramic windshield not only offers incredible visibility, but also enhances the vehicle's modern, dynamic look. Move to the side profile and you'll notice the flush-mounted power retractable steps and those gorgeous 24-inch Brabus monoblock wheels. These aren't just for show. They're designed to handle both highways and rugged terrain, making this motorhome as capable as it is luxurious. The exterior is finished in Brabus's signature deep gloss paint, complemented by carbon fiber, accents along the mirrors, bumpers, and side skirts. It's clear that Brabus wanted to create a motorhome that not only travels, but dominates every road it touches. Now, stepping inside briefly, the Brabus Motorhome is essentially a luxury penthouse on wheels. The moment you enter, you're greeted by an interior that fuses high-end automotive craftsmanship with the comforts of a five-star suite. Premium leather upholstery with diamond stitching, ambient LED lighting with customizable color themes, and real carbon fiber trim remind you that this is still very much a Brabus creation. The layout is incredibly spacious, featuring a full lounge area with reclining captain's chairs, a gourmet kitchenette, and a bathroom finished in marble accents. The technology suite is equally impressive. Dual 4K OLED screens, a premium Brabus audio system, and full smart home integration that lets you control lighting, temperature, and entertainment through voice commands or the integrated touchscreen system. It's comfort and control on an entirely new level. But what really sets the 2026 Brabus Motorhome apart from anything else out there is performance. This isn't a sluggish, oversized RV. It's a beast hiding under the skin. Powering this masterpiece is a Brabus-tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid powertrain, delivering a jaw-dropping 900 horsepower and 1,250 Nm of torque. Yes, a motorhome with supercar performance figures. Despite its massive size, it can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in under 5 seconds, which is absolutely insane for a vehicle in this category. Top speed? Electronically limited to 155 mph for safety. But let's be honest, the thrill isn't just in the speed, it's in how effortlessly it delivers that power. The motorhome also features Brabus ride control suspension with adaptive damping, ensuring a silky smooth ride on highways and excellent stability even on rough terrain. Coupled with an advanced all-wheel drive system and rear-wheel steering, maneuvering this giant feels surprisingly intuitive and agile. And let's not forget the hybrid system, which allows for an all-electric range of up to 60 miles, perfect for silent, emission-free cruising in urban areas or eco-sensitive zones. In true Brabus fashion, every detail has been engineered for perfection, from the aerodynamics to the exhaust note, which can be switched from a refined hum to an aggressive roar with just a button press. This is more than a motorhome. It's a rolling testament to what happens when ultimate luxury meets extreme performance. So, what do you think about the 2026 Brabus Motorhome? Is this the future of high-end travel? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Legends for more incredible automotive stories.